Hello everyone, this is Wutt. Welcome back to Thailand Warner Beach. This isn't a video for Thailand Warner Beach today. This is a cooking video for at Thai-cooking-tmtab, just to let you know that I've dropped a video on the other side. So yeah, go take a look. And today's video is Massaman Curry. So I will see you at the other channel at Thai-cooking-tmtab. And if you like and subscribe and email me just to let me know you've subscribed, I will then give you free recipe cards on every episode or cooking show that we do. So yeah, so don't forget, this is recipe number 5, which is Massaman Curry. So yeah, see you there. Bye.